up? क्या चल रहा है? आज इस वीडियो में I am gonna be showing you a super glam makeup look using only 5 affordable makeup products on an everyday basis. Honestly, I like to keep my makeup on the minimum but yet on the glam side, so I make sure that I'm using the products and multitasking with them. चाहे वो contouring हो गया, eyeshadow हो गया. eyeshadow और contouring तो मैं इतना easily like एक दूसरे पे use कर लेती हूँ that it is a regular. So I'm gonna be showing you some tricks, some hacks, and you are gonna look glam by the end of this video. So let's quickly get started, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So first we are gonna glam up the face and then we are gonna move on to hair. So the first product that I'm gonna use is this is the LA Gold Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Now this is the perfect shade for covering up my dark circles and even using it as a foundation. So first I'm gonna use this particular concealer as a foundation, and then I'm gonna move on to concealing and covering up my dark circles and my spots. Honestly, this concealer is like super lightweight, and I'm gonna blend this particular concealer out with my henna dab it sponge. This is damp, by the way. Make sure you're using your sponge damp. So basically first what I'm doing is I'm just evening out my skin tone. And now what I'll do is first I'll just cover up my spots and blemishes. Also applying this on my eyelid to even it out and to use it as an eyeshadow base. And that's about it. I have a perfect base right now. It's full coverage, at the same time very light, and my skin looks absolutely beautiful. It's not matte, it's not very dewy, it's right in the middle, very natural looking, healthy looking skin. So before I go ahead and set this makeup, I'm first gonna apply blush, because the next product that I'm gonna be using is the lipstick. So whatever lipstick you're wearing, just apply it as a blush. That is the perfect hack to, you know, match your makeup completely. So today actually I am gonna be using this particular lipstick. This is the Rimmel's Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Love Bite, one of my favorite shades. It is more on the deeper side, but as a blush it's just gonna look beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply this at the highest points of my cheeks, just like that, and blend it out with my fingers itself. And this way you're gonna have a very long wearing blush application, because it is a liquid lipstick, so it's not going to move, it's not going to transfer as well. As you can see, I have this beautiful flush going on my cheeks, and then just taking my blender and I'm just evening out the application. A little bit on my nose as well, just to add a little bit of color. I'm gonna use this particular liquid lipstick as my eyeshadow, but I am right now just gonna use this to add some color to my eyes. And I've applied this right in my crease, and I'm gonna take like a fluffy brush. This one is, I think, Pack 294 brush, and I'm just gonna blend this out. So this becomes like an eyeshadow base as well as an eyeshadow. You can definitely go ahead and apply your lipstick all over the eyelids as your eyeshadow, but I want that contoured effect. That's the reason I am applying this in my crease. today I am gonna be using this beautiful palette by K Beauty. This is called as a K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro palette, and this has 3 shades in it. So the first one I'm actually gonna use to set my makeup. So just gonna take it and start like stamping it and setting my base. So this particular palette is so good. All the 3 shades do their job perfectly well. This has a little bit of coverage, so my under eyes is completely getting covered here. I absolutely love this product because firstly all the 3 shades are beautiful, and this compact shade right here is very lightweight and gives me this very blurred out skin, which I love. Such a good quality palette for the price. Next I'm gonna use this particular shade to fill in my eyebrows. It is just a little bit lighter than my hair color, but it is still going to work and going to make my eyebrows look a little bit more sharper. Do you see that? It's quite light, but we are gonna make it work in just a few minutes. So to complete my eyebrows, I'm actually going to use the mascara that I'm going to be using later on, and that way the color of the eyebrows are going to exactly match my hair color. So I make sure that I remove the excess product from the brush so that not a lot of it applies on my eyebrows, and that way I also get like bushy brows. Make sure that you're removing the excess product that is there on the brush, because we don't want to make our eyebrows look clumpy at all. Let's quickly finish our face. I'm gonna first contour using this particular shade right here with my Pack 368 brush. Also gonna bronze up just a little bit with this shade right here. Going to use the same K Beauty palette, and the brush that I use to nose contour, this is I think Makeup Addiction brush, small tapered blending brush that I got from an Instagram site. I don't know whether you get that anymore, but I will try and find it for you guys because this is the best nose contour brush I've used till date. So I am going to use this darkest shade and I'm going to apply this in my outer corners. Just smoke it out a little bit and contour as well. You can definitely go ahead and apply this as your transition shade. So I'm just taking this, the middle shade, and just blending out the edges and adding a little bit more color. Just taking that shade and applying it with my lower waterline. The last and the final product is a highlighter. So I am using the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm gonna use this as my highlighter, of course, but also I'm gonna use this on my eyelids as an eyeshadow. Taking my fingers itself, and this is a very intense metallic highlighter, so as an eyeshadow it's gonna look stunning, like I said. I forgot that I have to use this as a highlighter too, because my eyes only looked so stunning. Always so satisfying to use this highlighter. And lastly, for the eyes, some mascara. So whenever I do end up applying like a wing liner, I just feel like, you know, it calls for lashes, because the eyeliner comes a little up, so your eyelashes has to be like super duper long naturally to be seen. So I end up applying so many coats, but then by the end of it I do apply false lashes. And lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some lipstick and we are done. So now I'm gonna quickly go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be right back to show you my final result. Can you believe it that I've done this makeup only using 5 affordable makeup products? So good, right?